Alright, you guys, I'm back at my house, back in my garage, and guess who's here? Woo! Panda. Home sweet home with the new wheels. That shit looks dope. Some plans have changed. I was gonna stay working on the Jeep, but I had to actually meet up with Seita. He's a friend from Japan. We have like a photo shoot and probably gonna do some filming later on tonight when it cools down. Oh, you guys can barely see me, there you go. So when it cools down, that's when we're gonna do the shoot. Sai is not here anymore, and you can see that, here, I'll just play the clips from last night and show you my last moments with Sai as Sai's owner. Alright people, sold my Tegra to the homie Malik right here. He's gonna take good care of it and put it in the canyons. Yep. I feel real sad, bro. I didn't get to finish working on the car, but it's his time.
I'm gonna take over. It's okay.
I trust this guy. This guy we just met today. Feels like a really chill homie. We had good conversations. We met like middle of the damn day. It's like dark right now. So like we're still gonna do videos together. Give him a follow on Instagram. I'll put it down below. But you guys want to keep up with Sai, I'll also be posting. We'll still communicate with the car. Just right now, I'll explain to you guys later on why I'm selling the car. But I'm so sad. One last look. Yeah, man, the car looks nice right now, to be honest.
It really does.
Yeah, it does.
First car that I learned how to drive in the canyons with, so I sold it to some kid.
Yeah.
They got it up and running, everything was good. And then his dumbass crashed it trying to drift on an open diff. Open diff.
Oh, open diff? Yeah,
I was like, dude, what are you doing?
Nah, you just totally demolished the car.
Like, bro, I just gave you a nice ass car for a good hookup just for you to crash it in 2 months.
Yeah.
I was like, whatever, man.
Dude, I can't believe I'm getting rid of this car.
It's alright. It's in good hands, for sure. I love the baby the fuck out of my cars.
Yeah.
Next time you see this car in person, probably, if I finish it by the time we meet up,
yeah,
it's gonna that thing's gonna be bondoed and it might be wrapped in a different color.
But I still haven't really figured what color to paint this car other than black.
I was thinking like some sort of like metallic silver.
Oh yeah, that would something different. Yeah, that would look nice.
I was thinking that.
Just make it happen. That's all I ask for. Is make it happen.
Definitely.
Steering wheel's nice, but it's like
it's a go-kart.
Yeah, I want to leave it on there, but I saw a newer one, and I was just like, it's dope. It's just mine's. It's just, I was like, damn, it works with the car. Like you just have to get used to it. That's all. Yeah. I'm so used to it now.
Yeah, it's gonna take me a while to get used to it.
It's fun. It's fun. Just play with it, man.
Definitely.
Just take care of it.
Definitely will. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there.
Yeah.
I appreciate the car. This thing's in good hands. It's gonna look real nice. It's gonna also be a legend on the canyon. So.
Oh yeah. I can't wait for this to see how. Man.
It's nice, man.
Oh my God. It's the last look of Sai, you guys. I have to film on my phone because this is the last minute thing. Oh, don't zoom in. Hey, you can open it. Oh, you got it first try? Yeah. Oh, he figured out how to do the little door trick. You guys watch the channel, you guys know. All right, he's out of here. Hear that startup with that idle surge. Woo! Damn, it's all right. It's a little different. There we go. Let him get used to it, you guys. You guys see that? It's part of the West Empire family. All right, bro. Drive safe. There you go. Damn, that shit looks sexy. And that car looks hella good. I am going to go inside, finish up some paperwork because I had to sell them, but we will still be updated on Sai. Got Panda here chilling, but it looks like we're both tired, so I'll see you guys tomorrow and I'll give you a little bit more of the breakdown of why I sold Sai. Well, that's the end of that video. Like, looking back at this, I was like, wow. So what I really wanted to say, like, you know, I sold the car. The reason why I sold the car is because for my future plans, for me to do my dream, I cannot have another car in the way right now. A lot of things has happened. This was filmed probably, like, I want to say probably at the end of March, if I'm correct. Yesterday was 4th of July. So, like, look. So this is where we're at right now, you guys. Okay? It's been some time. I just haven't had time to edit because of work, the quarantine, the protests, all this other stuff has happened. And the 2 videos before this one, let me see. Oh wow, we did so many videos. Okay. Alright, ever since we did this video, this was like 2 months ago. And I filmed this video probably like that week. And then all of these videos all been like posted late. Even though these 2 were like 2 or 3 weeks ago, I filmed this one a month ago. And things were going pretty like smooth, but got busy with work. So like these 2 videos were in the same week of this video, and then we had to stop because of the virus and all that. Yeah, a lot has happened. So many videos. I got at least 1, 2, 3, 4, I would say like at least about 4 or 5 more videos I need to hurry and pump out by today, so that way I can post them out through the end of this month, or have them all finished before the end of this month, because I even got a special car event video, or what's it called? We're celebrating the homie shop video. There's a bunch of stuff. So I've been really busy with like work and everything. I'm out here grinding for you guys, you know what I mean? The reason why I had to sell Xai is because I looked forward, you know, to my future plans, despite the virus and all this other stuff. It was already, before the virus really took effect, I already had this planned. And what it was is that for me to really do the dream that I want to do, I cannot afford to worry about another car right now, because when I go and travel to where I need to travel to, I cannot have the second car. It's just gonna be all over the place, and you know, it's gonna waste more money, and the car is not even gonna be complete if I try to keep it. It took me a while to sell it because people left and right were giving me lowball prices, and I was like, no, I'm not gonna sell it to you for that, because I know what you guys are trying to do, which is take the engine out and really just junk the car. And no, they know, they seen the pictures, and no. When Malik here hit me up and then we talked, he was the only person that actually messaged me about the car and showed up. Like, you know how many people that did not show up, and they were bugging me for like a whole month about the car, and they didn't show up on the day. Malik showed up. He was the first person that viewed the car, and he drove it around. Xai did not have any problems the whole time he was driving the car around. It's like the car liked him or something. It was crazy. I did tell him about all the problems. We spent hours on the car, just, you know, going over everything before it was a done deal. And before we even filmed this part of the video, we were just hanging out for a little bit, and then yeah, he just gave me the money then, as you guys saw, and that's it. I just wanted to give it to somebody that I know that is going to take real good care of it, and you know, and not just BS with the car. It's not much to it. It's just that I want to be able to do my dream and make all my dreams possible. I'm gonna travel to my dreams with the suitcase, and I'm bringing you guys with me, and I want you guys to get your suitcases ready, because that's what we're gonna do. Whoa, I'm gonna drop my phone. But yeah, man, it's crazy. So much has happened. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm here at my dad's house, and we got new packages for the Jeep, and they are dope. So stay tuned for the next 3 videos, because the next one definitely showing how I painted all the parts and pieces, so that has been done already. After that, we'll be installing everything, including this package that I have to build right now. So when I'm done building that, I'm going to be back editing. And even Panda and Ariel got some upgrades, you know. Ooh, so much has happened. I'm going to save that for another time. I'm going to end this video out. I'm sorry that it's really short. a little boring for some of you, but if you guys are real subscribers, real homies, you guys know where my goals are and the direction I'm trying to go to get to those goals. I miss Xai already. It's been months, but at the same time, I think I had my fun with the car. I got it for a personal reason, but I think I accomplished more than what I really want to get the car for. But yeah, it just felt right to give the car to somebody that deserves it. You know, there's not much more to say about it. I'm not gonna keep talking, keep yammering, keep blabbering. I think I'm done here. I want to thank you for all your support, because honestly I thought I would still have like what, 70 subscribers. It jumped to like 400 something. So my goal, and it's not a really big ultimate goal, but my small goal is to at least make it to 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2020. That might be a lot for you guys, but to me that is a big accomplishment, because as you guys know that I'm really paying everything out of pocket. I'm not making money through YouTube yet, and I get off work and I come home and I work on Panda, I work on this, I work on myself, and I'm just documenting it. But at least it seems like some of you guys like it, because there's a lot of you guys viewing, commenting, messaging me on Instagram, and I thank you. Sorry I have been MIA for the past couple months. It's because I've been grinding. The next couple of videos, a lot of new things has happened, and I'm currently handling that right now, but you guys will know in the later videos. I'll see you guys on the next one. If you guys want to help me accomplish that goal, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to put a like. If you guys want to support your boy, putting likes on the video lets me know that I am really communicating to you guys. So that's what the likes are for. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell. You know, when I post, I know it's not right away, but these next couple of videos for this month is going to be like, put me in your daily activity to watch my channel. Go ahead. You know, it's not just car content, it's still stunt content for those of you that are new. I'll see you guys on the next one. I gotta get working, gotta get grinding. Stay safe and be happy. Later.